Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you are done updating your Snapchat app, you just simply open it, and then once you have opened it, so just a little disclaimer, Snapchat still doesn't have an option wherein you can see the list of all of your friends. So what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So just simply go to the map right here on the bottom left corner, and then what you're going to do is to click on settings found on the upper right corner, and then click on only these friends. Once you're here, make sure to click on select all under the recents, and then you may also make sure to click on select all um, on these sections right here so that you may select all of your friends and Snapchat will count them. So once you have clicked on select all, make sure to click on save on the bottommost part, and then you may go back to the camera section right here, and then you may click on your profile found on the upper left corner and scroll down a little bit, and then as you can see, there will be a number of friends right here. So as you can see, sharing location with the number of friends that you have. So again, Snapchat still doesn't have an option in which you can see um, the number of friends. However, this is just an alternative. So that's it. That's how you can see how many friends you have on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.